Hey everybody, welcome to the Hennessey Test Track down here in Sealy, Texas. I am Bradley, one of your high performance consultants, and today we're going to be going over our Raptor R upgrade, the VelociRaptor 1000. This VelociRaptor comes with 1,043 horsepower and 824 pound-feet of torque. So every VelociRaptor 1000 package comes with these custom front and rear VelociRaptor bumpers, which integrate the OEM parking sensors. It also comes with a 20-inch light bar, so you can see everything in front of you. The VelociRaptor 1000 does come with a 3-inch lift kit, 37-inch off-road tires mounted to 20-inch Hennessey wheels, and to give you the stopping power that you need, 6-piston Brembo brakes. With the 3-inch lift kit, Hennessey provides power fold-out steps to make it easier getting into the VelociRaptor 1000. Now let's talk about the interior. The Raptor 1000 does come with the Hennessey logo on the headrest, all-weather floor mats, and a badge displaying your unique serial number that lets you know this truck is specifically yours. Now let's go take this thing for a spin. This truck is a ton of fun. The greatest thing about the Hennessey upgrade is you do keep all of the creature comforts from the factory. It's so stable, it's so comfortable, all the torque, all the power. Every Hennessey upgrade does come with the Hennessey badging, letting everybody else on the road know that this isn't just your normal Raptor R, this is the VelociRaptor 1000. The VelociRaptor 1000 upgrade is available here at Hennessey. Give us a call today, get yours.